T, that's short for integer. We're going to turn to Java for a little while and learn how to do some coding in Java so that you can actually talk about what we're looking at right now while we're waiting for that to stop. What we're looking at is a Java class. A class is basically the same thing as a file for our purposes right now. It's not really a file. It's kind of a collection of things that all form something that's very similar. For example, I could say that my applications class has people in it, and so the people are the objects that form the class. Well, there's one object in this class for now. Actually, there's a few different objects in this class, but for now let's just focus on this one little object right here, this lonely little object. And it's an integer data type, and it's an object named entry. And we're going to assign, there's the assignment statement right there, a static value to the integer object of 315. Okay? There's times in your life where you might want to do that. We're going to print out this little piece of information using something called a system.out.print call. We're going to print out a little message right here, which is a literal string. You'll learn about that as we move on. And then we're going to pass in the name of the data. Now, what do you think is going to happen here? What do you think is going to print out? Do you think that the word print, that the word entry is going to print out? Let's just try it and see what happens. It's going to take it a minute to run. So right now you all should be arguing wildly with each other about what you think is actually going to print out right now. If it does a system.out.println and in parentheses entry, what do you think is actually going to print out? And just so you know, it's going to print out down at the bottom here in the console. So let's find demo variables, and it's right here, and click OK. And we're going to wait around for a few moments, and then we're going to click OK again. And it's launching. Here's the little launching thing down here. You can check progress to see what's happening. Not so sure where my console went, actually. Window.